Welcome to a video review of Vietnam's largest steel house, situated in the Him Lam Resort area in Dien Bien City, Vietnam. This venue serves individuals and tourist groups visiting the city. The steel house is valued at approximately 40 billion Vietnam dong, equivalent to 2 million USD, and it showcases a collection of rare and valuable artifacts. It has been recognized as Vietnam's largest steel house in terms of architectural design. Steel houses are traditionally used in mountainous regions to protect against livestock and reptiles entering the ground floor. A unique architectural style of Thai ethnic roof, ensuring safety and comfort. Combining traditional Vietnamese wood construction techniques has created a distinctive two-story steel house, visually striking and harmonizing with nature. The meticulous craftsmanship of mortise and tenon joints ensures perfect cohesion throughout the house, guaranteeing durability over time and a cozy space for residents. Intricate carvings by experienced artisans add to the sustainability of the timeless pieces. Before entering the house, visitors pause at the gate adorned with valuable artifacts such as two shimmering jade stones, majestic water buffalo statue, and a firmly wooden gate and wall, creating an elegant space. The steel house spans 500 square meters within a 2,000 cubic meters plot. Constructed from 500 blocks of ironwood, it features 64 lot columns, including 16 main columns measuring 50 centimeters in diameter and nearly 12 meters in height, and 48 surrounding columns measuring 45 centimeters in diameter and 8 meters in height. On column space are solid bronze totaling 3.5 tons, showcasing high investment and sophistication. Built entirely from ironwood, the house posed a lifespan far exceeding that of concrete structures, potentially lasting over 100 years. High-quality paint protect the wood from weather, insects, and mold, preserving its durability and beauty. Regular maintenance ensures the house remains pristine, enhancing its value and lifespan. The ground floor features 14 solid agarwood dining tables, each 3 to 4.8 meters long and 20 centimeters thick, polished to enhance both value and functionality for hosting a memorable dining experience for guests. From the staircase space to the second floor, safety is ensured with details, railings enhancing artistic appeal. The second floor includes 7 spacious living rooms and 3 attics, each approximately 3.8 meters wide, utilized for events, dining, and group activity. High-value furnishing such as large wooden tables and intricately carved ceilings and sharpness and characters. Alongside its architectural significance, the house is enriched by rare decorative pieces like 2 monumental jade stones at the entrance, each weighing 17.5 tons, transported over 2,000 kilometers from Malaysia to their current location. The three goals are prosperity, vigorous, happiness, love, prosperity, and longevity. Symbolize Jewish aspiration for family happiness, wealth, health, and spiritual harmony, deeply embedded in Vietnamese culture for millennia. A pair of precious amethyst agate vases, valued at 700 million Vietnam dong each, equivalent to 28,000 USD, offers both artistic and spiritual benefits, traditionally believed to ward off negative energies and attract luck and prosperity. The outdoor pavilion set, crafted from over 500 years old wood, valued at 470 million Vietnam dong, is about 20,000 USD, exemplifies meticulous handmade carvings and rare wood quality. Vietnam's largest steelhouse at Him Lam Resorts is not just a deeply cultural architectural marvel, but also a testament to investment in cultural heritage. Come and experience the peaceful, luxurious, and inspiring space here, Him Lam Resort area in Dien Bien City, Vietnam. Goodbye and see you again.